Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic, entertaining and educational episode on Car Dashcam channel. Make sure to pay close attention at all of the videos because you can learn a lot from the mistakes of these people. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you like this type of content because your support means a lot and it helps this channel grow. Let's all learn and grow together. Enjoy.
Did you know that? Yeah. You could like trade for Steve Eisman for like 2 first-round picks. What the?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
That was so what? Oh, I saw that happening. I saw that happening. Hey,
my man got the
yeah, my nigga. I saw that happening. I'm like, yo, there it is. And bounce. He can't bounce. There's traffic. Or is she gonna make sure that nigga don't bounce? There's no way.
She bouncing. She trying to figure out who did it. She think it's you.
There's no way.
I mean, she don't got nothing on their car though.
She gonna stop right here. What she? Nah, she ain't no way.
Can we go around? Because we have nothing to do with it.
We have nothing to do with this. She
trying to stop.
She trying. There's no way she's trying to leave.
No, she's stopping. We got to go around. She's not moving.
But why is she not blocking the right car?
Yeah.
Oh, this is retarded.
She don't know who hit her.
She don't know who hit her.
She think it's you.
She thinks it's you. Yep.
Tomorrow morning here on Classic FM. I have my 4 alarms already primed. I kid you not, that's how worried I am. It's Alan Jones here on Classic FM. Well,
Run for president immediately. Save the country. Signed, Bradley Cooper. Oh boy, I better get right on that. Run for president immediately. Save the country. Signed, Bradley Cooper. Oh boy, I better get right on that. Hail! Hi.
And remember, leave judgment at the door. From outside the Big Brother house,
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
In 800 meters, make a left turn.